So PLCs, which are professional learning communities, we're going to talk about what they are. So they are a group of educators working collaboratively to ensure that students achieve the best academic results and to focus on improving teaching skills to educate their students. It involves a collaborative culture with a focus on learning and continuous improvement, which will lead to better results. And the three big ideas of PLCs: a collaborative culture, viewing learning as a fundamental purpose and focusing on results. And then SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. So what are the purpose of PLCs? Professional learning communities are set to improve the skills and knowledge of educators through collaboration, exchanging of ideas, and discussion amongst professionals. They can also help educators improve the educational ambitions, achievement, and acquirement of students through stronger leadership and education. So why are PLCs important? They allow educators opportunities to improve teaching and learning. They build stronger relationships between the team members. They help teachers to stay on top of new research and emerging technology tools for the classroom. And they help teachers to reflect on and exchange ideas amongst each other. Some different characteristics of PLCs are analyzing, collaboration, goals, implementing, adjusting, exchanging, discovering, and innovating. So how can PLCs create effective learning environments? They can determine common learning and assessments, they can make space for innovation, and they can ensure that teams work effectively. Intentional technology. Intentional technology can benefit both teachers and students in the classroom. It can create multiple opportunities for students to grow and learn many new things, as well as teachers. One way intentional technology can be used is through Kahoot, a fun educational quiz type of game that will motivate students to try hard and do their best. It allows teachers to review what students already know and what they need to know, while also allowing them to have some fun.